Are you seeing the error message? WSOCK32.dll was not found, or the code execution cannot proceed because WSOCK32.dll was not found? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix the WSOCK32.dll missing error in Windows 11 step by step. Let's fix it. First, right-click on the Start menu. From this Power menu, click on Terminal Admin. If user account control appears, click Yes. After opening the Windows terminal, inside the terminal, type the command sfc/scan now, press enter. This command will scan your system and automatically repair corrupted or missing Windows system files. This process may take several minutes. Do not close the terminal during scanning. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. After the SFC scan completes, we will run the DISM command to repair Windows image files. Type the command DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Then press enter. This command checks Windows system image health and repairs any corruption. This process may also take some time. Please be patient and let it complete. After both commands are completed successfully, restart your computer. That's how you fix the WSOCK32.dll was not found error in Windows. If this video helped you, like the video, comment below. Subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.